Welcome back to the channel. Today, we explore how coffee transforms from raw beans into instant granules.
Coffee begins its journey far from the factory floor. Across vast plantations, millions of beans are carefully grown and harvested.
Harvesting is still done by hand in many regions. Precision ensures consistency before processing even begins.
Once collected, the cherries begin their journey to processing facilities. But this is only the beginning.
Watch the left side, more debris coming through. Got it, sending them right.
The outer fruit is removed to reveal the beans inside. This step begins the transition from fruit to raw material.
The activity on vat 12 looks strong this morning.
Yes, the temperature is holding steady.
Drying reduces moisture to precise levels. This stage stabilizes the beans for storage and transport.
Sorting ensures uniformity. Only consistent beans move forward in the process. The beans are now prepared for global transport. But their transformation is far from complete.
From farms, the beans travel long distances. They are destined for large-scale production plants.
Global logistics connects farms to factories. Every step is timed and controlled.
Inside shipping containers, conditions are carefully maintained. The beans must remain stable during transit.
The journey leads to advanced processing plants. This is where large-scale transformation begins. Raw beans enter the production system. They are now ready for industrial processing.
Advanced systems inspect every batch. Only the highest quality beans continue forward.
Beans are stored in controlled environments. Temperature and humidity are carefully regulated.
The process moves deeper into automation. Each stage prepares the beans for transformation. The next step will change everything. But before that can happen, precise preparation is required.
Cleaning removes unwanted particles. Even the smallest impurity can affect the final product.
Air separation isolates lighter materials. Only dense, high-quality beans move forward. Magnetic systems eliminate hidden contaminants. Safety and purity are critical at this stage. Advanced sensors analyze every bean. Defects are removed in fractions of a second. Advanced sensors analyze every bean. Defects are removed in fractions of a second.
The sensor reading here is fluctuating slightly.
Yes, I see it. The sorting speed is stable, though.
Before roasting, the beans are gently warmed. This prepares them for even heat absorption. The beans are evenly conditioned. Uniform preparation ensures balanced roasting later.
Moisture levels are carefully adjusted. This step stabilizes the internal structure of each bean.
The beans move seamlessly between stages. Each step connects to the next with precision. Batch control ensures consistency. Every portion is measured before roasting begins. Air filtration keeps the environment clean. This protects both the product and the machinery.
Preparation is now complete. The beans are ready for their most critical transformation.
The core transformation begins with roasting. Heat unlocks the hidden chemistry inside each bean.
As temperature rises, the beans begin to change color. Complex reactions develop flavor and aroma.
Heat is carefully regulated throughout the process. Precision ensures consistent roasting across every batch. The beans release moisture and expand. This stage is known as the first crack.
Byproducts are removed continuously. Clean airflow keeps the process stable and efficient.
Cooling stops the roasting process instantly. This locks in the developed flavors.
The beans now carry deep aroma and color. Their structure has been permanently transformed.
The roasted beans move to the next stage. Their journey continues through automated systems.
Grinding reduces the beans into uniform particles. This increases surface area for extraction.
Particle size is carefully controlled. It directly influences the extraction process ahead. The extraction phase begins here. Hot water will draw out the soluble coffee compounds. Water dissolves flavor compounds from the grounds. This creates a concentrated coffee extract. The extract is moved through sealed systems. Temperature and pressure are tightly controlled.
The liquid extract is collected and stabilized. Its composition is carefully maintained.
Filtration refines the extract further. Impurities are removed to ensure clarity and quality.
The extract becomes more concentrated. This intensifies both flavor and aroma.
The transformation is not yet complete. The liquid must now become something entirely different.
The liquid extract enters the refinement stage. Here, it will be transformed into fine, soluble particles.
The extract is broken into tiny droplets. This increases the surface area for rapid drying.
Hot air removes moisture almost instantly. The liquid begins to solidify into powder.
Each droplet becomes a tiny, solid particle. This is the foundation of instant coffee.
Should we stabilize the temperature at 75 degrees?
Yes, the airflow is optimized now. We are good to proceed.
The dried coffee is collected carefully. Its structure must remain uniform and stable.
Granule size is carefully controlled. Uniformity ensures consistent dissolution in water.
Refinement is now complete. The product moves forward for final evaluation and control.
The finished granules now enter quality control. Every batch is tested before approval.
Scientific testing verifies internal quality. Moisture and density must meet exact standards.
Moisture levels are precisely measured. This ensures long shelf life and stability. Proved product is securely stored. Freshness must be maintained before packaging.
This batch shows a slight variance here. Check the corresponding sensor data.
R5 data confirms the adjustment. Looks good now.
Quality control is complete. The product is now ready for final packaging and distribution.
The process reaches its final stage. Everything now moves toward packaging and distribution.
Containers are prepared with precision. Cleanliness is essential before filling begins.
Each container receives an exact portion. Precision ensures uniform quantity in every unit.
Sealing protects the product from air and moisture. Freshness is locked inside every container.
Labels are applied with exact alignment. Consistency is maintained across every package. Uniformity defines the final product. Every unit reflects the same standard. products are grouped for distribution. Automation maintains speed and accuracy. Shipping boxes are sealed securely. They are prepared for safe transportation.
Pallets are assembled with precision. Stability is essential for global shipping.
Finished products are stored in controlled warehouses. They await distribution across global markets.
The products are now ready to leave the factory. Distribution begins immediately after loading.
From raw beans to finished product, the transformation is complete. Every step has been shaped by precision, control, and time.